Welcome back to Beyond the Blade. Today we're diving into the extreme, dangerous, and downright terrifying world of logging truck disasters. Whether precision maneuvers that'll leave you in awe or catastrophic failures that'll make your heart skip a beat, these drivers are playing a high-stakes game. Sometimes they win, and sometimes they lose. Buckle up, because this ride is about to get wild. I wonder what the truck driver is going to deliver now. And for the drivers of these two cars, let's just hope they're lucky enough to survive. There's nothing worse than two big trucks clashing. It's always disastrous. Always disastrous. I'm not really sure what's happening, but he got the tree down, right? That has to count for something too, doesn't it? Don't worry, later we'll ask how the car got there in the first place. Like every normal day on the highway, another truck conveys felled logs. And now, everything seems fine until it seems there's trouble in paradise. The truck's weight and continuous shifting turned this drive into a disaster in seconds. Oops, that was massive. This triple trailer logging operation was bound to fail from the start. Who uses this kind of truck for a double or triple operation? You'd have to be an expert to make this work.
Tiro. Acelera, vai, vai, vai! Vai!
On the flip side, they made it work. Now this is how triple or double trailer logging should be done. I mean, the delivery is sure with the right trucks and drivers. I'm still trying to understand what actually happened here. I mean, a split second later, and it wouldn't just be the logs taking flight, literally. Let's hope this guy scales through. Oh yes, he's got… Oh no, wait, oops. For real, I was kind of rooting for it not to fall, but it was unavoidable. That road was just too slim for that. Surprise, obviously, there was no way that was gonna go through. I'm really curious to know what their plan was. Holy cow, I mean, you can't blame the driver at this point. He wasn't even at high speed. Everyone in that car is lucky they survived. Mission accomplished, kind of. The fall wasn't exactly elegant.
Woo!
Calling this the fault of the delivery van. I mean, who moves to the road like that? It was sudden, and there was no way in hell he was gonna react fast. Not with the truckload of wood. Wow. I could have placed $1 million wager that that truck wouldn't go through. See, when people say experience is the best teacher, this is definitely proof. Never seen a double trailer logging involving a small tractor and a big truck. What matters is they're getting the job done, right? You know you're elite when you can floor it like that with zero issues. Maybe the road was lucky to have him. Forget the tree, how did they even get that crane up there? Was it a brake issue, or was he overspeeding? I hope no one was hurt. I really hate it when avoidable crashes happen. All the driver had to do was be patient, or maybe a brake failure happened. If you're looking for a real-life mud runner, you definitely just found one. That is one way to close the road for some hours. That turn was a tricky one, almost like an amateur was driving it. Luckily, the cars weren't hurt in the process. It's so crazy how one wood can cause multiple collisions if not strapped well. Who needs a logging wood truck when you can just attach it to the trunk of your car? This is obviously not new to him. I really thought he had it going smooth. It's safe to say the slippery slope had the best of his driving skills. Another failed delivery. On today's episode of How Not to Make a Turn When Driving a Logging Wood Truck. Now, this is how to take a turn without delaying your delivery or blocking the road. I highly recommend. Now that was impressive. Don't get any ideas because you are not him. You probably won't pull this off. What you can pull off though is smashing that subscribe button and hitting the like button. Now that's a winning move. The delivery truck was obviously too close. That was a quick reaction from the white car. Can't say the same for the cars following the white car. I didn't know it was gonna make it through the mud. One thing is for sure, I am not driving beside this type of truck, and I hope you know why. Luckily, that minivan moved past earlier. If not, it would have been another story. Definitely not a pleasant one. How the hell is the driver pulling this off? Wait for it. You see it too? Amazing teamwork by the dozer. This is obviously not his first rodeo. See me wondering what his plan was. Many years have been put into practice, and this is what it looks like. I had my doubts at first. It felt like it wouldn't go through, but it did. The sheer power that takes is no joke. Final destination, logging truck edition. This is exactly why people fear driving behind these things. Imagine the tragedy. I am not sure how, but the truck made it to the stop. Experience at its finest. A smooth sailing for this machine. There's going to be lots of broken legs. It's crazy how far these trucks and drivers can go.
To просто жесть.
The capacity of this truck is scary. I feel so bad for the driver. Did he make it? Oh yes, he did. It's so crazy how they move in water.
¿Y esto se va a YouTube este video? ¿Ah? ¿A YouTube se va? Se tiró muy allá, Hernández.
The snow couldn't stop the delivery.
Давай, Колян, давай, 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 сука. Давай взад. Еще. Сука, там шланги эти ебаные. Их нельзя подвернуть вверх. Давай, сука, маленько остается. Давай. Давай, родная, давай, молодец. Ебать тебя в рот. О, сила. Так, выйдем.
I could have sworn he was going to get that truck through without a hitch. Maybe just a slight skill issue, or maybe the truck just wasn't having it. You know what they say about Mack trucks? Built tough, built to last, and always reliable. There's nothing better than logging with these kinds of trucks. A truck driver's delight. Trucks like this moving in a muddy terrain is nothing surprising. A logging truck and a smooth road. Now that's a combination every truck driver loves to see.
Di pantauan Rawa Pocong ini kilometer 29.
Wasn't sure if the driver was gonna make it up that hill, but he did, and he made it look easy. That's the kind of skill and truck control that makes all the difference. With trucks like this, delivery is practically guaranteed, no matter the load, no matter the road conditions. These beasts just keep moving forward. There is no way delivery gets lost with this kind of machine. It's built to handle anything thrown at it. This is what experience does. Just look at them go without a hint of hesitation. No wasted movements, just smooth, expert driving from start to finish. That turn had me on edge for a second, but he handled it like a pro. It wasn't just the truck, it was his experience that did all the real work there. That sharp turn looked like a serious test of skill, and this driver absolutely passed with flying colors. That truck might be strong, but the driver is even stronger. This used to be one of the top beasts in logging trucks back in the day, and honestly, I bet it still gets the job done like a champ. What a driver. That steep ride was no joke, but he passed through it like it was just another day on the job. Now this is exactly how a truck should move in muddy condition. It's almost like it was made for this kind of terrain. That was one crazy turn he had to maneuver, and he pulled it off without breaking a sweat. This is exactly the kind of truck you call a cool truck. It's got power, it's got presence, and honestly, if I had the chance, I'd be behind the wheel in a heartbeat. And that's a wrap. We've seen impressive skills, close calls, and some outright disasters. Let me know in the comments, which clip had you holding your breath the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an episode of Beyond the Blade. Until next time, stay safe and stay sharp.